What is up, guys? Stand at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create Gmail templates on Gmail. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, type in mail.google.com, or you can just simply type Gmail. Now, after coming here, you can open a new tab, or on the right side, you can click on three dots and then hover to extensions and then click on visit web store. And after that, search the extensions of Cloud HQ. When you will search Cloud HQ, you will see this extension of Gmail email templates by Cloud HQ. Simply click on it, and then you will see the option of add to your browser, whatever browser you're using. I'm using Brave, so it shows me the option of add to Brave. As you can see, I have already added this extension to my Brave, and here you can see this extension here. Now, after installing and adding the extension, come back to Gmail, and then on the left side, click on Compose. Now, after clicking on Compose, click on More Tools, and after that, you will see the icon of this tool. As you can see, insert template, this is the icon. Click on it, and then click on Browse Templates. And after that, multiple free templates will be loaded in front of your screen. And as you can see, here are some of the free templates that I can choose from. So let's say I like this one. I will just select it. And after that, as you can see, my template has been appeared here. And now from here, I can edit it. As you can see, this is my editor. From here, I can add columns, buttons, divider, image, menu, and I can also add my custom HTML. So let's say I want to add an image. I will click on image. And after that, I will just simply drag and drop the image icon here on the template. And then if I want to upload a custom image that I have downloaded in my computer, I will just click on upload image and then upload that particular image. Now, when I'm done, I'll just simply click on close. And after that, click on close editor, or I can directly click on send. I'll just specify the send to whom I want to send. Okay, I'll just simply click on send. And as you can see, Merry Christmas wish has been shared to my email with the same template that I have chosen. So this is how you can add templates to your Gmail. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.